The property market stays strong regardless of the coronavirus fears that have been experienced across Australia today. And we can see that by looking at the auction clearance rates. We can look at the value of new home loans being written. And we can also have a look at property prices and what's being experienced across Australia today. Now, CoreLogic revealed over the weekend the preliminary auction clearance rate, and that came in at over 70%, which is really positive to see. And it's worth noting that there was 2,220 properties at auction. So really good results and positive to see for both sellers and buyers in the market today. Now, last week's national volume was 1,494 properties up for sale, and clearance rates almost hit 70% again. So positive signs all across the market. Now, looking at loans and what's taking place and are they increasing? And they definitely are. If we look at the value of new home loans over the last 12 months in the owner-occupier space, it has increased 26.9%, which is a dramatic change, and it's really on the back of the new stimulus that's come through, lower interest rate environment, as well as APRA easing its credit availability. So this is really linked to what we're seeing with the auction clearance rates being so high, positive signs all around. Now, if we look at the investor space and new home loans for the investors being written, and are they increasing? They definitely are. We've seen a 14.7% increase in the last 12 months. So when it comes to writing loans and really pushing up the market due to availability of credit, we're seeing positive signs across the board. Now, if we look at prices and what's been taking place, we've seen strong rebounds, especially in the Sydney and Melbourne market over the last 12 months. But with the fears of the coronavirus being placed upon us, what's happened in the last couple of months? Well, if we look at last month alone, in February, all dwelling prices increased 1.1%, which is a really strong month for the national property prices, which is good to see. Pretty much, home prices rise in every capital city except for Darwin. Now, positive signs across the board, and we really expect prices to continue increasing with the low interest rate environment, as well as the availability of credit and the positive signs that we're experiencing on the weekend with auction clearance rates. So I look forward to bringing you some more market updates over the coming weeks.